Here's another that we picked up from one of them there long, tall drinks of water.
Probably in my shovel.
I didn't pick that up.
But anyway.
It's about what we do and who we are. Has a little 3/4 Texas kind of beat there, partner. That's a mighty high and lonesome sound there, Cowboy Clean. Is that the Swinola that you're playing?
Don't you worry about it now.
The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling. We're out where the doggies roam, where spurs are a-jingling and the cowboy is singing his lonesome tattle song. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up his cattle each fall. Singing his cattle call. Thank you very much. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night wind blows up and slow. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call. Thank you very much. Is that a gooder?
That's a gooder.
Well, all right then. My voice never changed. I finally found out what to do with it, I guess. What are we doing next year?
I think it's a recitation.
Oh, yes. That song always did move Cowboy Bob to tears.
Well, didn't it though? Or did it just move him?
Well, I never got that close to find out the difference. Let me go ahead and get out of your way there, Cowboy Bob.
All right.
And it takes me a minute. There's a lot to move around.
Rolling forward.
Are we doing the theme song?
Not mine.
Would you like some background music?
Yes, please.
All right.
Now this is a real treat because no one has ever heard Michael play the fiddle up here before.
It's not about the fiddle playing. It's about this moving poem.
It is a moving poem. A lot of people think that cowboys don't do anything but ride horses all day out in the desert. But a lot of them are philosophers. And this one here is a poem that is written about reincarnation.
And I'll be playing behind him a love song called Hell Amongst the Urins.
Yeah, that works. Okay, so what does reincarnation mean? A cowpoke asked his friend. His pal replied, it happens when your life has reached its end. They comb your hair and wash your neck and clean your fingernails and lay you in a padded box away from life's travails. The box and you go in a hole that's been dug into the ground. Reincarnation starts in when you're planted beneath a mound. These clods melt down, just like your box, and you who is inside. And then you're just beginning on your transformation ride. in a while, the grass will grow up on your rendered mound, till someday on your moldered grave, a lonely flower is found. And say a hoss should wander by and graze upon this flower, that once was you, but now it's become your vegetative flower. The posy that the hoss done ate, up with his other feed, makes bone and fat and muscle essential to the steed. But some is left that can't be used, and so it passes through, and finally lays upon the ground this thing that once was you. Then say by chance I wanders by and see this upon the ground, and I ponders and I wonders at this object that I have found. I think of reincarnation, of life and death and such, and come away concluding, Cleet, you haven't changed very much.
We want to thank Bob for that fine reading and recitation. You'll find your books on the backs of your seats now. Please fill it with a great exuberance. It's not raining. Oh no, this ain't church.
Or fiddle. There's a lot of holiness around.
What, did I bust a seam again?
When's your posy will begin to flower?
No, not on a good day. No.
Well, I reckon we might as well do this here earnest
A hoss comes wandering by.
I'll get a shovel.
Now, did you know why the old cowboy bought him a dachshund dog?
I didn't know why.
He wanted to get himself a long little doggy.